If your Samsung Smart TV is acting up, freezing, disconnecting from Wi-Fi, showing a black screen, or refusing to install app, don't panic. These are the most common Samsung Smart TV problems, and in this video I will show you the real fixes technicians use step by step. Let's jump right in. Samsung not connecting to Wi-Fi, let's fix it. Change the DNS, domain name system, or reset network. To do that, go to settings, click on general, network, then network status. If you can't find that, you can just go straight on your settings, then you see connection. From there you see network status. Click on IP settings, change the DNS to 8888. Restart your TV. If this fails, you can also repeat this, or you reset the network by clicking on settings, network. So reset the network. Works 90% of the time. TV shows black screen but sound works. This happens when the backlight fails, a setting glitch, HDMI handshake failed. Let's fix it. Flashlight test. Shine a flashlight on the screen. If you see faint image, it is backlight failure. Soft reset. Hold the power button on the remote for 10 seconds until the TV restarts fully. Or HDMI reset. Unplug all HDMI devices. Turn off TV. Wait for 60 seconds. Plug back one device at a time. App not installing or crashing. Common on older Samsung models. Fix. Clear app cache. Press on. Go to settings. Then support. Then locate device care. Select manage storage. Clear app cache for the affected app. If storage is full, delete unused apps. Restart TV. Install again. No signal or HDMI not working. This is often not the TV, it is the settings. Let's fix it. Turn on input signal plus. To do that, go to settings, locate general and privacy, then click on external manager device and turn on input signal plus for the HDMI you are using. This unlocks full HDMI bandwidth for PS5, Xbox, soundbars, and TV box. Samsung TV is slow or freezing. This happens when too many apps are installed. The TV cache is full. The TV has not been rebooted for weeks. To fix, use the device care. Go to settings, then locate support. You see device care. Click on it. Then click on start device care. The TV will clean memory automatically. Do this once a week. Samsung TV stuck on logo or boot loop. This usually means corrupted firmware. To fix, we go with the hard reset. Secret method. Unplug the TV from wall. Hold power button on the TV, not the remote, for 15 seconds. Leave unplugged for 2 minutes. Plug back in. If that fails, only a USB firmware reflash or technician can fix it. If this video helped you fix your Samsung Smart TV, hit the like button, subscribe, it really helps the channel. And if you want me to make a video on hidden Samsung Smart TV features, drop a comment and I will make it next. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.